If you have a broken lamp, don't you guys throw away first, guys. Well, on occasion in this video, we are going to fix a broken lamp. Capitalized insulation duct tape like this, you friends here. So this is for beginners. It can be practiced at home. Even though you don't know electronics. 20 poodles, you guys can try. This one tutorial, guaranteed direct, can be alone. Fix a broken lamp. Just right away what the video. Let's see together. Okay guys, just go ahead and of course we have to. First, prepare a lamp. I can't turn on anymore, guys. Yeah, this lamp is broken, yeah. We're going to try first, so that there are no lies between us. Yeah, my friends, yeah. Well, this socket already has electricity, yes. Already lit. For the lamp, we try it first like this. Well, it's not on at all, yeah. To be sure, I will try the lights. Who can yes? So that no lies lie. That the tutorial. This is indeed 100 real friends. See, if use this lamp, can ya? It really has electricity. And for this lamp that was. Can't light up the same though, friends. It's broken, yeah, we're gonna fix it. With just duct tape insulation like this. Well, before proceeding to the dismantling of the lights, I will share a little knowledge for all of us. May be useful. It is a series and parallel. Yeah, you guys have to be able to tell the difference. Let's try to see. Here is series of friends. Well, for a series like this will continue to be one path. Just friends. The series is often used for a lamp like this, or a cheap lamp, or a Chinese model, or what, yes it is. These LED lights often use series, yes friends. When one of the lights goes out, this is going to break up all, because it will be cut off over here, you guys. Yeah, so like that for series. So it's usually used for model lights like this, friends. We just unload it. This is true. We immediately try whether the series is true or not, we see. Well, this is true, yes, the series. You guys can see. Continuous. You can see the line inside this. This is a series, and it's true that we see. There is one lead fruit that has been burnt like this. We immediately try to prove. We unload it like this. Let's go back and see. Well, the bottom is completely burnt. And it's broken, yeah guys. Yeah, and the top. Like this. When the other light goes out, all the lights are going off. And the lights won't work like the sequence. One light out, all will die, ya friends. Yeah, we just fix it right away. In the burnt part like this, guys. Later we use duct tape insulation. Like this. Just right here we're taking off the burnt and broken parts of the lamp like this. To take them off, we can use a lighter like this, guys. If you don't have a solder, because this is more practical to take them off, we just burn it at the bottom of the lamp. Let that burnt like this. Okay guys, if you have, let's just pry off the light like this. Well, this is going to be very easy. Instantly fast. Throttle dawn neuter. Let's try to see. This LED lamp that has been burnt and broken like this, to model it, guys, yeah. Just go right ahead. Well, this has been cut off for the series, yeah. Here we will clean first. This part, my friends. To clean it, you can use knife or cutter. Like this. We'll just scrape it up. Well, if it's clean, the result would be like this. After this, we will try again. To the power plug, yeah. Is it true? The problem was there or not, guys? Yes, because the one that stood out was already visible. That the LED lights were burnt, my friends. So we're directly. See the disease that it's in LED lights. The one like that earlier. Directly we plug it in. Well, after plugging like this, here we connect. Watch out, don't hold this, there's a shock, yeah. You can use safety, which the scissors have insulation or part. Like this. This will not conducting into our hands, so not electrocuted. We just connect it to the part that we took off the light. The LED is the flame. Like this, yeah. On your friends, yeah. Well, here we check once again. Well, flame like that. That means the disease was earlier or lead. That was burnt earlier. The next PR. Here we just connect friends. So that all the lights, these LEDs that are left can turn back on. We just connect. This part to point, guys. To connect it later we use a yes or. Fill the cable, we use the contents of the fiber cable like this. Whatever. Okay, about this enough you guys, yeah. This later function to connect to the severed part of this line. We put it like this, yeah, later, okay, steady. Just straight up part. Piece is cable or the contents of the cable we put on it, like this. Well, if it's been put on top, we just take the duct tape. Duct tape insulation. We just stick it on top. Like this. Easy place. Okay, steady, so that copper cable parts will be sticky and connect the two sides that have been broken. Then we just cut it. The remaining part of the insulation. Okay, steady if it's fixed. Broken lights, we're done. This is absolutely very practical, economical. Jealous beginner. Right away can friends. We can tidy up. And we try first. We immediately tidy up. We enter. We put up. Just like the beginning. Okay, it's installed. If we have immediately closed back in the section, frame lamp, so that this lamp is safe, not stun your friends. Yes, if we hold, if it has been repaired, our lights are already friends. Just straight up, whether it can or not. Let's just try it right away, yeah. We put in the light fittings, like this. Then we just plug it into the electricity. Okay guys, this socket already has electricity. You can see for yourself. Here the lights are already on. This socket really already has electricity. Just go straight. We try the lights we fixed capitalized from the insulation duct tape earlier. 1 to 3. Look at that. Wow. The lights directly light up again, guys. The initial lamp, originally broken, can no longer be used. Capitalized with duct tape. Isolation like this, guys. We can fix it in a very practical way, economical. Selling Gellis. Make a lamp. Can turn back on. Like this, guys. This is really super steady, magical, and definitely make money you can save. Because we don't have to buy lights. New again, guys. Steady, right? Hopefully useful. If you guys like this video, don't forget to click the like button below. And press the subscribe button, friends. And do not forget to ring the notification bell, so that all of you do not miss the latest videos to update others from this channel. May be useful.